first perfumes appeared long before chemistry or laboratories existed. In ancient Egypt, aromatic resins and oils were burned in temples, giving us the Latin word perfumum, meaning through smoke. In ancient Rome and Greece, perfumery evolved from a religious ritual into a symbol of status. Fragrant oils were applied to hair, clothes, and even the walls of homes. In medieval Europe, perfumes were used mainly to mask the unpleasant odors of crowded streets and houses. Then, during the Renaissance, perfumery became a fashion statement, with recipes guarded as closely as state secrets. Every scent begins with tiny molecules that evaporate from the surface of a substance and drift into the air. We inhale them, and they reach the olfactory receptors inside our nose. Each molecule has its own shape and chemical structure, and it's this structure that determines how the brain will interpret the signal. For example, lemon smells fresh thanks to a molecule called limonene, while vanilla smells sweet due to vanillin. When a molecule locks into an olfactory receptor, it triggers an electrical signal. This signal travels to the olfactory bulb and then into the limbic system of the brain, the region responsible for emotions and memory. This is why a single whiff of a certain scent can bring back a vivid childhood memory, even decades later. In perfumery, scents are often described in a three-tier structure, known as the fragrance pyramid. First, top notes. Light, volatile scents that greet you first. Citrus, mint, bergamot. They vanish after about 10 to 15 minutes. Second, middle ones. The heart of the fragrance. Jasmine, rose, cinnamon. They bloom after 15 to 30 minutes. Third, base notes. The longest lasting, sometimes lingering for hours. Sandalwood, vanilla, cedar, musk. It is this gradual transformation from top to heart to base that makes a fragrance feel alive and unique. To make a fragrance last longer, perfumers use fixatives, substances that slow down the evaporation of scent molecules. In the past, these fixatives were rare and expensive: ambergris, castoreum, natural musk. Today, chemistry allows us to create synthetic equivalents, purer, safer, and more accessible, without harming animals or depleting rare natural resources. Perfume is not just a blend of oils and alcohol. It is a language, one that can tell a story without a single word. French perfumer Jean-Paul Guerlain once said, "Perfume is the feeling you can wear on yourself," and that perhaps is the entire essence of perfumery.